Welcome to today's recipe. Today we are making pudding. Dude, milk 1/2 liter. Now pour this milk into the pan. So this Rafhan pudding packet has 2 sachets. The small one has ready-made caramel, and the big one has pudding powder. Add the bigger sachet of pudding into this boiling milk and stir it for 5 minutes. Spread the caramel mixture on the bottom of your serving dish. Gently pour mixture on caramel. Now put this in a refrigerator for 2 hours. Now this is ready to serve. Alright, wow!